my name is Mulan Seviana Haryanja, a seller from PT Batam Estate.
Hello, I'm Fitri Rahmadani S. as buyer from PT Indonesia.
So we are here to do role play and start. Hello, good afternoon. Is this true from PT Indonesia, the logistic manager of production?
Yes, afternoon. I'm sorry. Who is this with? Is there anything I want to help?
First, let me introduce myself. I am Mulan Seviana from PT Batam Industrial Estate. I'm as a business to business or B2 marketing trend at PT Batam Industrial Estate.
Okay, Mrs. Ulan.
Thank you for taking your time.
Yeah,
How are you today?
I'm pretty good. How about you?
I'm good. I heard you really like the sport of golf. It's true?
Yeah, I've been doing it since 3 years ago. Do you also like the sport of golf?
I'm starting to like it recently. Do you have any recommendation for a good place for a beginner like me?
If for beginners, maybe you can try to come to Novasa Spring. They have a good guide.
I will try it. Maybe if you have time, we can play together. Isn't there a newly opened golf sport venue? That seems like a good place.
Yeah, we can play together next time.
I'm really looking forward to it. Let's go back to the original topic. Are you willing to have a meeting with me represent of PT Batam Industrial Estate?
I might be able to spare a little time for you. Would you like to discuss during the 50-minute meeting?
We'll invite PT Indonesia to be able to recognize and cooperate in the need problem faced by PT Indonesia. When do you think you can?
Maybe this week I have a tight meeting. Maybe next week good.
Thank you for the opportunity in the meeting that we will hold next week. I will do a presentation about PT Batam's product and service.
It's even better. See you next week back.
You're welcome. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
And the meeting? Good morning, Mrs. Fitri. I'm glad that I can finally have a meeting with you.
Yeah, I have high expectation for this meeting.
How are you today?
I'm pretty good. How about you?
I'm very well today. I've tried the place you recommended last time. What you say is true that the guide is very experienced and friendly.
Nice to hear that. So next time we can play together.
I will look forward to it. Okay, I will start my presentation today. Thank you for meeting me directly. What do you think about sir?
Very interesting analogy. within our company would like to do additional project, it would be great if you could discuss more about PT Batam Estate and discuss it in detail.
Jump to the point that I talked about a week ago. In this meeting, I will introduce our company in detail. PT Batam is a company that manages one of the largest industrial and business areas in Batam.
PT Batam is engaged in what field?
PT Batam Estate is engaged in the construction of hotel, hospitality service, utility product, and service raw material production.
Good enough. So what do you know about the problem of PT Indonesia? And what kind of problem can you provide a solution for?
Is my main goal. We really know the needs and problems of PT Indonesia. We will help provide solution in cooperation with opening a factory. Only then can we strengthen every factor that exists during the COVID-19 pandemic to be useful for the future because during the pandemic economic growth, PT Batam is still listed as the 10 best cities and many companies have collaborated with several PT Indonesia in PT Batam, especially in Batam.
Problem like what can you help?
In addition to helping make it easier for companies to open new factories, also strengthens considering various facility, intensive regulation and labor costs.
Hmm. So what kind of location is suitable for opening a new factory?
Highly recommend opening a new factory in the Batam area because Batam has a strategic location. Because it is close to Singapore, PT Batam also prioritizes potential investor, but general needs and special needs.
If there is a problem in the infrastructure, what are the other advantage of the defense system?
Will also assist in licensing other services including licensing assistance, labor recruitment customs, immigration visas and residence permits for foreign workers and logistics.
That's a good solution. But is the rice relief too much?
We think that giving rest it will really help the workers.
It best if the rice aid is not given because for a new company it will be very detrimental because the company is still the process of returning in the initial capital.
I accept your suggestion.
I want my company to be well managed. What about the surveillance system you have?
Industrial estate are always well managed, monitor for security 24 or 7, and developed in a sustainable manner to meet the needs of both general needs and the specific needs of PMA or PMBN investor who run business in them.
Okay, you have a pretty good management system. So how much does it cost to do this collaboration?
The cost of this cooperation is about $3 million.
Why did you decide on the price?
In the context of stabilizing a new factory, it must require no small cost. Moreover, there are several challenges in the process of running it, such as closing strategy, land and licensing costs.
What about the logistics system you have? Is it able to meeting export demand?
The the logistic system that we have is very good because previously we did have several collaboration with export goods companies, especially at this time the demand for export goods is increasing.
What about the existing human resource?
Because the COVID-19 pandemic has made many people lose their jobs, the opening of a new factory will really help them, and we will easily overcome the fulfillment of human resource.
But what about the fulfillment of export?
For the fulfillment of skilled workers, we have many skilled workers who can fulfill the position and in the field that the company needs.
What guarantees can you offer in this collaboration?
We have a guarantee that if there is a problem in this cooperation, you can directly contact the head office and we will immediately solve it. And our expert workforce has a 3 years of experience.
Can you provide a cost reduction?
Batam itself is a competitive industrial city with its status as a free trade zone or free trade and port area. You will easily do export trade from here. So to reduce the cost, it is quite difficult.
Can you give a little price reduction for our first collaboration so that in the future we will continue to do other collaborations?
Um, Maybe we can give you 5% fee reduction for our first cooperation.
Can you give a little more deduction?
I'm sorry, but we can give more than this.
Yeah, then I agree with giving 5% fee reduction.
Um, hmm, hmm, yeah, well, if you agree, then the agreed price is $2.85 million.
Okay, I agree with the charge.
For further processing, I will first report to my director. And for payment, you can do it through signing a contract first.
Okay, I will prepare it soon. Thank you for your cooperation.
Hope we can work together in the future.
hope this cooperation can run smoothly.
I also thank you for this meeting and agreement.
Okay, see you at the next meeting.
I'll be waiting for it. Thank you. Nice to meet you.
Thank you. Nice to meet you too.
Okay, that's the role play that we have shown. Thank you for attention. Bye bye.
Thank you.